I'm Shingo, in charge of shoe structure design at Institute of Sports Science. ASICS has solid philosophy when designing shoes. We call it human-centric science. Our design work begins with analyzing the athlete's movement. After that, we establish the hypothesis of what we can do. Based on the hypothesis, we create physical samples to confirm actual human response. If these samples cannot meet athletes' expectations, we redesign them. This is a very time-consuming and dedicated process. We are developing a new design methodology using a digital platform, which is a combination of algorithmic design and computer simulation. It can help us to consider the best solution from wider design space. If creative ideas could become 3D data and be verified instantly, we could reach the optimal structure far faster. We met RebuilderAI at CES. When I saw the demo as an engineer, I felt there was huge potential. The AI was generating highly accurate 3D data automatically, and that data could be passed directly into simulation. It felt like the distance between design and verification has suddenly crossed. It was the moment new possibilities opened up within ASICS R&D.
I'm Mochida from ASICS Institute of Sports Science. I work alongside Shingo in charge of structural evaluation of shoes. 私たちはシューズの構造設計に唯一の正解はないと思っています。求められる機能っていうのが、それぞれに対して最適な形があるからです。ブリンゴンを活用していく中で、私が感じているのは、私たちのデザインの幅が本当に広がったということです。それは私たちの R&D にとって非常に大きな意味を持っています。RebuilderAI さんとの協業を通して私たちはこれまで以上にデザインと機能を並行して探求するようになりました。そしてその先にはこうした探求が実際の製品となり、またアスリートのパフォーマンスにも貢献しうる未来があるんじゃないかなと感じています。
AI is not here to replace our design. AI is our new partner faster and to a broader reach. One step closer to the athlete's body, that challenge has only just begun.